Meet Coco. Coco's the one responsible for fertilizing this lawn. As you can see, this lawn has taken its fertilization very well. The grass is very green and has become overgrown. And with that, it's time to mow the lawn. But before we do that, it's time for something fun. See, in the past few days, it has been raining, and I hadn't been able to go to the trails, so I guess I'd make my own backyard trails. But first, I need to pick up some extra fertilization. This is an easy process as he's a small dog, so small fertilization. Now it's time to fill up the mower after a long winter's rest. To make the trails, I lowered my lawnmower so that it'd make a more indented path. Seems like a good setup for my camera. This is the end result. It's got a bit of everything. So what's gonna happen on this trail is coming from here, a nice turn. Jump over that gap, keep going, another nice steep turn. And here you gap this trail, tiny little jump into this dirt section. Go back around. Nice little S. Nice steep turn, probably gonna fall here. Do this root area. And you're done. Let's see how this turns out. It's time to enter through these gates and explore these trails. Upon the first turn, I quickly realized I haven't planned this trail out that well. But with limited time and rain dawning, I just decided to give it a quick shot. Up here, I couldn't hit the jump as I realized I did not leave enough room for a run-up. The rest of the trails are pretty mellow. And I struggled to pedal through this root section. But overall, this trail was pretty nice. Not hitting the jump didn't feel right, so I ran around for a second time and hit the jump. It wasn't that pretty, but I still did it. So as you saw, gapping this in the video wasn't that successful. I didn't really have much of a run-up. So right now I'm going to try to come in from here and jump over this cross section and land over there. See what happens. Well, that didn't turn out as expected. Pretty bad at jumping. But let's try something I can do. And just hop sideways from here to there. Let's see how this goes. Well, that was a bit better, right? Yeah. Fortunately, it's starting to rain. So, I gotta mow the lawn real quick. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.